Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing and granting permissions so Genmoji can access input devices. Once installed, open System Preferences and confirm microphone, keyboard, and accessibility access. This lets Genmoji capture gestures and text. Sign in or create your account and choose whether to enable cloud sync and backups. Make sure to pick a default output folder and a preferred emoji model in settings, because that determines speed and file types when you export. Now you generate and refine, import a photo or use the webcam, or type a text prompt to guide Genmoji's model. Once your source loads, tweak style presets, color palette, and animation length. These controls affect file size and final look. Use layers and masks to isolate hair, eyes, and background so edits don't spill over. Once satisfied, press render. You can preview at different frame rates and undo incremental changes, which helps you iterate without losing earlier versions. Finish by exporting and sharing your Genmoji. Choose GIF, PNG sequence, APM, or MP4, then set resolution and frame rate. Include transparency if you need overlays. Once exported, use the built-in share menu to send to Messages, Slack, or save to disk. If rendering stalls, make sure Genmoji has full disk and GPU access in security and privacy, clear temporary cache, and check available disk space. If problems persist, restart the app in your Mac, then try a lower resolution render to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.